Question number 1. Who was the first president of India? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 2. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is option B, Mars. Question number 3. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Correct answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 4. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is option A, Chennai. Question number 5. The term GDP stands for. Correct answer is option A, gross domestic product. Question number 6. What is the square root of 144? Correct answer is option B, 12. Question number 17. If a train travels 60 km in 1 hour, how far will it travel in 3 hours? Correct answer is option B, 180 km. Question number 8. What is the value of 25 multiplied by 4? Correct answer is option C. Question number 9. A man buys a pen for Rs50 and sells it for Rs70. What is his profit? Correct answer is option B, 20. Question number 10. Simplify 15 plus 6 multiplied by 2, negative 3. Correct answer is option A, 4. Question number 11. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer is option B, nitrogen. Question number 12. What is the chemical formula for water? Correct answer is option B, H2O. Question number 13. The process of converting solid into liquid is called. Correct answer is option B, melting. Question number 14. The human heart has how many chambers? Correct answer is option C, 4. Question number 15. What is the unit of electric current? Correct answer is option C, ampere. Question number 16. If 2, 6, 12, 20, what comes next in the series? Correct answer is option B, 28. Question number 17. Find the odd one out. Apple, banana, carrot, mango. Correct answer is option C, carrot. Question number 18. If A is coded as 1, B as 2 and so on, what is the code for CAB? Correct answer is option A, 312. Question number 19. A clock is set to show 9:15. What angle is formed by the hour and minute hands? Correct answer is option B, 67.5 degree. Question number 20. Complete the series 5, 10, 20, 40. Correct answer is option C, 80. Question number 21. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 22. What is the boiling point of water under normal condition? Correct answer is option B, 100 centigrade. Question number 23. In which year did India gain independence? Correct answer is option C, in 1947. Question number 24. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is option C, Mercury. Question number 25. What is the value of pi approximately? Correct answer is option B, 3.14. Question number 26. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer is option B, mercury. Question number 27. Who invented the telephone? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 28. What is the capital of Karnataka? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Question number 29. Which of the following is a prime number? Correct answer is option C, 7. Question number 30. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? Correct answer is option C, heart. Question number 31. Which is the longest river in the world? Correct answer is option B, Neil. Question number 32. How many degrees are there in a right angle? Correct answer is option B, 90. Question number 33. What is the capital of India? Correct answer is option B, Delhi. Question number 34. What is the SI unit of force? Correct answer is option C, Newton. Question number 35. In computing, CPU stand for? Correct answer is option A, Central Processing Unit. Question number 36. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Correct answer is option B, Punjab. Question number 37. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option A, Marie Curie. Question number 38. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Correct answer is option B, thermometer. Question number 39. What is the atomic number of carbon? Correct answer is option A, 6. Question number 40. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Correct answer is option C, leaves. Which freedom fighter gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom"? Correct answer is option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 42. What is the primary sources of energy for Earth? Correct answer is option B, Sun. Question number 43. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Correct answer is option B, Jupiter. Question number 44. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Correct answer is option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 45. What is the primary component of natural gas? Correct answer is option C, methane. Question number 46. What is the study of fossils called? Correct answer is option C, paleontology. Question number 47. How many players are there in a cricket team? Correct answer is option C, 11. Question number 48. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Correct answer is option A, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 49. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Correct answer is option D, O. Question number 50. How many continents are there in the world? Correct answer is option C, 7.